Welcome to the spectacular world of Thousand Vlogs. The Erawan Shrine, formerly the Thao Maha from Shrine, is a shrine in Bangkok, Thailand, which houses a statue of Phrom, the Thai representation of Brahma, the Hindu god of creation. The name also refers to Maha Brahma, the ruler of the Brahma realm in Buddhist cosmology. The deity is popularly worshipped outside of a Hindu religious context, but more as a representation of guardian spirits in Thai animist beliefs. Nevertheless, the shrine shows an example of syncretism between Hinduism and Buddhism. The shrine often features performances by Thai dance troupes who are hired by worshippers in return for seeing their prayers answered at the shrine. The shrine is near the Grand Hyatt Erawan, Bangkok, at the Ratchaprasong intersection of Ratchadamri Road in Lumphini Sub-District, Pathumwan District. It is near the BTS SkyTrain's Chitlom station, which has an elevated walkway overlooking the shrine. The area has many shopping malls nearby, including Gaysern, Central World, and Amarin Plaza. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. This Hindu shrine was erected in 1956 when the construction of the original Erawan Hotel nearby, now the Grand Hyatt Erawan Hotel, was plagued by a series of mishaps believed to be caused by bad karma or bad spirits. Ever since, it has been relied on for good luck and is usually surrounded by garlands and other offerings. It's a pilgrimage site for people of all beliefs who stop by to make wishes as they burn incense or light candles before heading to one of the many malls in the area. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Bangkok, Thailand playlist. In 2006, a deranged man smashed the golden statue of the four-faced Brahma, the creator god in Hinduism, with a hammer and was beaten to death by bystanders. The image was quickly restored. Occasionally, you may see performances of traditional dancers honoring the Hindu god Indra, who's considered holy by Buddhist Thais. Have you been to Bangkok, Thailand? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. How to get to the Erawan Shrine. Take the BTS SkyTrain to Chitlom Station. You'll see the shrine outside. Visitor's guide? Opening times 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Admission free. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.